Meaning of Hodgkin's disease.
Hodgkin's disease.
Hodgkin's disease.
Hodgkin's disease.
Hodgkin's disease. Hodgkin's disease, also known as Hodgkin's lymphoma, is a type of cancer that affects the lymphatic system. It is characterized by the presence of large abnormal cells called Reed-Sternberg cells in the lymph nodes, which can spread to other organs in the body. Symptoms may include swollen lymph nodes, fatigue, fever, and night sweats. Treatment typically involves chemotherapy, radiation therapy, or a combination of both. With early detection and proper treatment, the prognosis for Hodgkin's disease is generally favorable, with a 5-year survival rate of around 85%.